Hello, everyone. This is Resilience Coach Jean Morrison with DIY Resilience, and this is Resilience Time. It's time to get ready for a healthy dose of brain rest. You need brain rest to support your DIY self-care plan. About 17 minutes of rest for every 52 minutes you work for optimum performance. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to be notified of new DIY resilience tips, trainings, updates, and live events. Now, I invite you to lay down or sit comfortably and take up as much space as possible. Send a message to your brain that you matter. Close your eyes or focus on your screen and breathe. Breathe in and out. In and out. In and out. Invite yourself to appreciate the bed, the couch, the floor, or the wall that supports you. Allow yourself to notice how interaction with these things brings a sense of stability and calm that grows in and around your body and mind. Where does that stability grow? Does connecting to that sense of calm release the knot of tension? Can you be grateful for the support, the strength, the peace that grows in the body and mind? What else might you feel grateful for in this moment? If you are breathing, you might invite gratefulness for the air that enters and exits your lungs. If your environment is peaceful, you might experience gratefulness and even relief in the embrace of that peace. When you are thirsty, you might feel grateful for a glass of cool water. Though you may not feel grateful for hunger at a moment when food is scarce, you may allow gratefulness and receive food given freely by others. And when you remember to share what you love with others, gratefulness remembers to let separation be replaced by connection to what is and what is possible. Friendship, courtesy, support, love, kindness, a smile, the mountains, the coolness of the moon, the warmth of the sun, the beauty in a single flower, the sound of rain and thunder, the taste of sweet tea. For love, for the light and the darkness, for the roar and the whimper, for others to be grateful with. What, if anything, can you be grateful for right now? Are you finding one or many appreciations now, and now, and now? Breathe in gratefulness. Breathe gratefulness out to others. Breathe in gratefulness. Breathe out and remember to share gratefulness with others. Breathe in, breathe out. Now you can deepen your brain rest into a deeper natural contemplation, or get back to the rest of your day. Remember to stop and label emotions, look and define them, then go and return to rest as soon as possible. Breathe and be DIY resilient as you creatively resolve all your daily challenges, big and small, with your support team. After all, no one does resilience alone. Reach out to me if you need some assistance today at jean@diyresilience.com. I'll do my best to be there for you. Until then, this is DIY Resilience.